In this video, I'll show you how to pin a message on a WhatsApp chat. If this helps you, please consider subscribing down below and giving the video a like so others can find it. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone, then select the chat where you want to pin the message. I will be using this WhatsApp group as an example. Let's say you want to pin an important message, meaning that this is always going to be at the top of the conversation. What you will do is simply select it for 2 seconds, and then you will select the option at the bottom right next to delete that says pin. Here you can choose for how long you want this new pin to last. You can set it for 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. And after you pin your message, as you can see, you will see it right here at the top of the chat. This is very useful when you have a long conversation with someone and you always want to keep track of important information or documents. And that's it. I hope this video helped you.